Well, howdy folks, thanks for joining in. I'm gonna start my music here and get into it. All right, so let me do a recap real quick. Yesterday, I was working primarily on the backup feature so that you could back up your phrases. But off stream a little earlier today, I was doing some cleanup of some things, like, for instance, this currency field. I didn't like, well, I should say, it was not displaying correctly. So when you went to the mobile version, it was appearing off screen and was just messing with everything. So I did a fix for that, but I digress. I'm gonna do a recap. So in any case, we got this backup thing working, and if the phrases are encrypted, you have to decrypt them first. Did that, fat fingered that. All right, so there's the decryption. We've got copy in there, so that copy and pasted that key there, and we can, let's see, there you go. So we've got that in there now, and that was most of what I did. I may have done a few CSS tweaks and some cleanup, but that was most of it. And oh, I suppose there was also this copy button. Oh, that's annoying. I need to fix that. Well, I want to fix that. I don't know if I need to. It's not the biggest deal. It's just annoying. So this copy button wasn't working in this instance before. It was only designed originally to work in this instance where it's right next to a input field. But yeah, so it does copy that input field, but it wouldn't just copy any text, even though it's possible with some of the newer clipboard APIs. So we managed to get that updated so that it would work in both situations, and so that was the other main thing I worked on. And then, now that the recap is done, let's see. What I was working on earlier this morning is like I started to say, this was appearing off screen in mobile. And let's see. So it was appearing off screen when you went to mobile like this. I wonder if I could, oh yeah, I could easily show. So let's go to index. And actually, where was it? It's this one, 534 or 543. Yeah, 543. So let's go to 543 right there. And if I comment this out and refresh, this should break. Yep, there you go. So this is what it was doing. So I got a fix in there for that, which gets it displaying better. That was one of the first things I did. Let's see. I added this version information right here at the bottom. So let me, so now it says the current version you're on. And the reason I did this is with the service worker I added a few days ago, it caches stuff in your browser. And I was noticing on my phone that I I couldn't get it to update easily. Just a page refresh wasn't updating it. So essentially, if these versions get out of sync, this will become a link and it allows you to click it and update in the case where you're on a mobile and can't get into DevTools. The next thing I worked on was the fiat currency selector here. I added this placeholder, so the placeholder defaults to whatever the last value was. So since it was set to USD, that's what the placeholder is. And essentially, when you would enter a empty value here, it would actually save that and kind of mess with it. So that other fix that I did was if you try to save it with an empty value, it doesn't update any of the values. But if you actually select a value, then it will update. So now that's in euros. Oops, I don't like that. Actually, I want to change that right now while I'm thinking of it. That was for the backup. I thought I would like the label clickable, but man, I am not liking that. I've clicked it many times now thinking it was empty space. So that was for the button, not the dialogue. Backup. In here, I passed it. Right here. All right, we're gonna drop this for label. And refresh. Yes, okay, that's better. Currency, I'm okay with it selecting because it's just a select, but that clicking it was actually quite annoying to me. Oh, hey, King Robert. Thanks for joining in. How are you doing? All right, and then the last fix I did off stream was improvements to the fiat currency in wallet and staking. So in staking here, I changed this around. So now it's showing it's just kind of smaller. It's emphasized for the balance and this, oh, I also added a little hover there. So the dividends is bolded and the current balance in your selected fiat is emphasized. And I also made them slightly smaller than the other text, which I'm liking that a lot better. And yeah, so that was the change I made there. Okay, so that's serves as a pretty good recap. Let's go into the issues here, and I believe it's number 1. All right, so I guess I didn't update my list with the items I completed. Let me get that updated real quick for y'all. Where is that window? There it is. Okay. Got that updated. So now there's the ones I've completed today, and we're gonna try and hammer through this as quickly as possible. And so, with the exception of this one, the convert crypt store to a CLI compatible version, most of these other ones should be relatively simple. And this is actually, I have it in here, but this is probably a nice to have improvement and not a exactly necessary. So I might leave that to last if I still have time. All right, so when navigating to CrowdNode, the wallet table does not load after URL redirect to wallet. So let's open that up. Sure enough, there ain't no wallet in there. Oh wait, that's not the best example because there's no wallet actually. But I suppose since there's no wallet, let's inspect this. And I'm gonna close it and actually reload again. All right, so it did the redirect, but it didn't load either of the things like it was saying. Let's use the same phrase from here. No, actually I'll use a different phrase. So instead, I actually want to verify another issue, which was, oh, you know what? I missed including one. Whoops, let me update this again. That's weird. Will that work? Okay. And update that. All right. So that's the other one I forgot, is the add more instructions to backup modal. Which maybe we will start with that. So the thing I was suggesting was something akin to this. Let's copy, so backup phrases. That's for the button, not the modal. We want this here, I think. Oh, why do I keep doing a capital for that? All right, let's just add that for now. All right, well, that should add it. I don't know how it will display. Adding the wallet. There's one other thing I noticed before I move past this. I believe it's in... where did that happen? It would probably be an add wallet here. So when you generate a new wallet here, okay, what am I doing? I think I generated a new wallet earlier, and when I did, it actually tried to force you to decrypt the wallet first. And so I think there was something haywire with that. But I'm not sure where that's happening. It might be in setup backup dialog. No, that's where I was. Not cancel. I don't think it's happening in this one. It must be happening somewhere else. Let's go ahead and just test this for now. Oh wait, you know what? Derp. I am testing on the actual public website, so I won't be able to test this here because this isn't my local host. So let's just go ahead. I will be able to verify that it's not showing the link. So I'm going to use another address. I'm going to, sorry, not the link. It doesn't show the text, or I guess we'll find out here. So add wallet. Yeah, that should have done more than nothing. Yeah, so it does this, but for some reason that didn't even update at all. So this should disappear as soon as there's a wallet. So that is what I wanted to verify. So that's that one, but I also need to test here, and I believe it's generating a new wallet. Okay. So backup recovery phrase, that's right. Let's copy and paste that somewhere. All right, so close. All right, that added. Maybe I'm misremembering where things went haywire the other day. Oh, you know what? I didn't see the text I just added. Did I miss that, or did it not display? It didn't display. Okay. Well, now I've got two wallets. Dang it. I'm actually gonna trim this down again, because the more wallets, the more unwieldy it gets. That's the wrong dev tools. Let's go to this one. All right. Okay. That's what I want to do. Let's go ahead and make sure the... Although... So, like I was saying, on the settings page, if these are out of sync, but these aren't out of sync, maybe I should just always have that as a link. I think it annoyed me before, but I can see already that I think my service worker is out of date. even though it's not displaying as out of date. I think it's out of date so that when I click generate, or sorry, the cache is out of date. That's what's out of date. So when I click generate, it didn't actually... Oh, it's not even showing cache. That's interesting. I think that was in main that I was working on this. I need to clean this up, but it was initially just a proof of concept. All right, I'm gonna disable this for now. Save, refresh. So now this should, let's test it first. I click add and generate. Oh, it's already showing. Right, that's annoying and funny. Write this down. I am not, this is why you test things. I'm not liking how much space there is. This might really mess things up, but I think I'm going to find field set. Let's see if there's any like I'm thinking. I want to find all the field sets with H1 through H6 or whatever it is. Which it doesn't look like I'm... I guess I do have that in there. Field set, no margin. I do think I want to restrict it to a dialogue, so probably not the media query one, but something like that. All right, let's do field set. One. Let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And margin. It's gonna be, I'm gonna try 0 first. That's a lot better for that one, but yeah, I'm okay with that. But let's check some of the other ones. That's not terrible. Also need to check mobile though. What else? Maybe I want margin bottom. Let's see. Except that's what I'm not liking. So maybe. Oh wait, I'm a derp. I think I could do that same thing. There we go. That's more like what I was wanting. But I also want to see. Let's cut. Oh, it didn't work. Can I not cut? That's weird. Guess let's edit as HTML. Gonna cut that there. And then I want to see what it looks like if I stick it underneath these. So, that don't look pretty. Definitely not too rim. That ain't right. Okay. So neither of those worked. Let's cut that. And then all right. I know what's happening. I have to edit it as HTML. If I do something like this and then do strong. right. Something like that. Not liking the font size right now. Maybe I'm not liking that either. So text transform. I don't know, something like that. I spent way more time on this than I was ever intending to. But before I forget, let's copy what I've done here. And then I believe it's the backup form. No, backup dialog. All right. I wonder if I put it here, what will happen? That don't look good. Maybe I actually want to split this up and then let's see if I like that. thought I had a warning class for text, but maybe I don't. Right, I do have the value there. So let's do this. Maybe I have a couple of them and just never added the warn. Code color dim. So I guess I do have a couple, but they're for pre-code. Wonder if it would be easier to find that. Alright, I guess I don't have what I thought I did. So I'm gonna add it down here. Let's see. Too far. What am I thinking? Oh, it's near the tag. This is near. Okay. That's what I was thinking. Let's paste that real quick. This is getting all wonky. Alright, and color is equal to var info. Okay, so info note warn ding success light. All right. Note warn ding success and light. Okay, so with those in place, if I go back to the future, I mean something like that, it'd be T-warn, right? Where is it? T-warn. All right, refresh. So if you lose, is that right? Is it loose? Lose? I think that's right. If you lose your hovery phrase is no backups. The other thing I'm realizing is I do not like that warning color. What are my other color options? I don't have like an orange one. I want an orange one. That's what I really want. Or maybe I just want it muted a little bit. Let's see. I'm going to try adjusting the warning color. I think I have one in mind here that I've used elsewhere. It's only a mild shift there. But yeah, I like that better. So a backup recovery phrase, write this down on a piece of paper or print it out, store it somewhere like a safe or a vault. Let's go back to the backup. We want write. Your recovery phrases down on a piece of paper or print it out. Store it somewhere safe, like a safe or a vault. Okay, let's try that. Write your recovery phrases down on a piece of paper or print it out. Store it somewhere like a safe or a vault. If you lose your recovery phrases, there are no back. There are. I'm literally in the right file. If you lose your recovery phrases, we have no other backups. We have no backups. If you lose your recovery phrases, if you lose your recovery phrases, there are no other backups. There aren't other backups. I don't know. That's probably fine. I spent more time on this than I intended to. So I'm going to count that as good. And I'm gonna test it one more time with generate. There we go. Sweet. Let's test it one more time with mobile. Ooh. It don't look great. I ain't loving that. So, flex direction, column. Nope, no luck. Ah. But that don't look good with the copy button there. Isn't there any way to set a title on a field set? Legend. Let's see what that does. Field set. That still looks okay there. It's not bold, but I'm okay with that, I think. Oh, that's right. So for some reason, justify content center. So I've got the first child set to flex. Interesting. All right, let's find this. It's going to be in the index CSS. twice. All right, and I believe it is set up that way because of something like this. I don't think I need this anymore. I'm gonna delete it for now. This is the disadvantage to trying to use classes sparingly. I'm kind of regretting it right now. Classes do make things quite a bit easier in some situations. So I would actually prefer I would prefer it to look like this one, and this one is functioning correctly. I don't think you're supposed to have field sets that are sub-field sets. But the main reason I was doing that field set in the backup thing is because of that copy button. I was basically reusing the styling that I've already done for this stuff. But it could potentially drop the field set wrapper and put it inside of this field set. Not that I need all of these backed up, but, you know, why not? Just in case. Now I can more safely delete them. So that I have a lot less wallets. Okay. Oh, I just thought of what I had sidetracked to and then got distracted. So if you've generated a brand new wallet with no encryption and you click backup, it prompted me to decrypt or maybe encrypt my wallet before it would let me see the backup. And that's probably not ideal. I'd prefer that it just actually shows the backup if your wallet's not encrypted. Oh, and it should. Interesting. Oh. I think I know what happened. But let's ignore that for now. I want to fix this real quick. So I'm going to try and jam everything into the same field set. So instead of this, I'm going to do a, let's just do a div wrapper for now. Maybe I'll do a section. Then I was also thinking I might like this. I mean, let's see how this looks. This is going to need to go back to, I think I had it just set to strong. I guess I can back up real quick. Yeah, strong. And to the left. All right, save and refresh. Wait, what? Why? Oh, the paragraphs inside. That's... What? How did that happen? Okay, so this is paragraph and then strong. But this is showing strong and then paragraph and then strong. What? Oh, there we go. There we go. That was baffling me. All right. I don't often remember or forget to close tags, but clearly I forgot to close that one. That is what I was expecting to see. Okay, so we've got that article. I was thinking we could maybe say display flex and then flex direction row. That don't look right. Oh. All right. So now if we did flex direction, I think we want row here, and then display flex. So that would give us that, assuming we wanted it to appear that way. Okay. Apologies, got a message. All right, my apologies. I'm gonna take a break here for a few minutes. So let's do this. And it's probably gonna be less than 10 minutes, but setting it to 10 minutes for now. So Alrighty. My apologies. I had to deal with some stuff real quick. Like. Okay. Man, I'm having trouble remembering what I was doing. I know I was messing with the placement of this stuff. I think, oh, that's right. I was wondering if I could get this button to not stretch. Let's see, justify content. That's not changing it. Maybe it's a line. Ah, that's exactly. Okay. So, center. Let's go back to here. Oh, I should have, what was that? Align items and center. Oh no, I don't want it centered. That doesn't look good. Specifies, that's, I kind of like that, but it's also in the wrong placement. Okay. So baseline, center, end. Flex start is going to be the same as baseline, I think. Oh wait, baseline pushes it up. I want flex start. That's what I want. Okay. So for the article, something like this. so let's see. We need to find where the field set is. This might be close enough. Okay, so we want the field set. I don't know if I need to define it this specifically, but I'm gonna. All right, so field set first child. And we want section article. So section and article. And so for that article, we do that stuff. And then, all right, let's save that and refresh and see if it looks right. So back up, decrypt that. Okay, I'm okay with that. Let's go into mobile. Yeah, I'm okay with that, I guess. Maybe I want more spacing though. So let's see, field set. So we've got article is flex. Is there a flex gap? Or is it just gap? Ah, it is gap. Okay. So if I do gap 0.5, 0.25. I think I also want to take this and do that and margin. Let's do 1 rem and 0. And then we're going to go into the backup modal. We're going to drop all of this, I think. Yeah, we can just drop that. Let's see how this looks. Okay. Backup recovery phrase. Write your recovery phrase down on a piece of paper or print it out. Store it somewhere like a safe or a vault. See, I want, why I read this wrong is I want to say store it somewhere safe, like a safe or a vault. Maybe if I swap this, so that and safe, so like a vault or a safe. I don't know. I don't like this. Store it somewhere safe. Oh, I know. I've got it. Like Scrooge McDuck's money bin. Perfect. Scrooge McDuck's money bin. All right, write your recovery phrases down on a piece of paper or print it out. Store it somewhere safe, like Scrooge McDuck's money bin, or vault or safe if you don't have your own money bin. All right, and let's check it at large screen again, desktop, backup. So the other thing I'm thinking is maybe we could do P, and this would be P. All right, let's try that. Nope, don't like that. But maybe BR. Maybe I'd be fine with that. Let's try that. All right, backup recovery phrase. Write your recovery phrases down on a piece of paper or print it out. Store it somewhere safe, like Scrooge McDuck's money bin, or vault or safe. You don't have your own money bin. You lose your recovery phrases. There are no other backups. Okay, close. I'm good with that. I'm gonna check this one off my list. Let's see. That's good enough for me. Okay, so the thing that is next on my list, I believe, stab it. When navigating to... Alright, so it's... When navigating to the CrowdNode UI, the wallet table does not load after... So I think this wallet URL reload thing and the looks like you need to add or generate a wallet is actually the same issue. So I'm going to work on that next. Okay. Let me actually shift this first before I go much further. I think I'd prefer to have this probably near, no, not that. Near check cache, I think. Export function. It's probably going to be an async one, actually. Async function. So return, await, fetch, whatever. So I think for this we want I've had issues with this in the past, which is why I was using that D thing, but we'll see if it's working now. All right. Whoops. We don't have settings. Oh, I could do it the same way I've done others, I think, in UI. Oh, maybe I should put this in the UI, actually. That might make more sense. Container. That's how I've done it. Yeah, I'm going to move this over to container since it's directly... Sorry, not container, to UI. Since it's directly interfacing with the... DOM. Okay, so let's drop this. I'm going to put it at the bottom. I might need to reorder this stuff at some point, but this is fine for now. Okay, so async function. Display version info. I think that works. So container would be will that work? No, I think we want document right there. Do I have D in here? Ah, I do. Okay, that works again. So then I can do container. Existing footer is that. Okay. And then the only other thing we need is settings, it looks like. Maybe I'll call it data. So we'll do data. So wait. No, let's say store. Okay. Instead of settings specifically. Maybe we should do settings. I'm not going to do it uppercase. I don't know. I don't like doing uppercase inside of arguments for a function. Okay, so let's do it like that. Then we've got display version in here. And then we can go back to main, and right here we would do display version info. And this is UI, I believe. So, yeah. Something like that should work. And yes, it's still loading. Sweet. Okay. Okay, so that moved that, and I think put it in a better location. However, I do think that part of our issue with things updating is this change root. So I'm wondering if it would be as simple as window event hash change on load, if we do that. So change root. Ah. So I don't think we really use onboarding anymore. And actually, it looks like we should be using this in the first place. So, current page. Thinking that might help. Okay, so let's go to all right. It actually isn't redirecting. Root includes. So if current page is equal to page on board, that's where we do the redirect. So maybe we do want that. Okay, so that puts us at the right one. Okay. All right, I think what I want to test here is actually clearing everything, brand new load. So let's clear. And actually gonna just full on close that. So now we're opening a brand new one. Can I? Yeah, good, good, good. Interesting. So that's not ideal. I'm not sure if you can see this, but in the back here, we've got, oh, we're not on settings, we're on wallet. So wallet is active and wallet has that, no wallets. So let's find where no wallets is getting added. All right, so get address rows. If keys length, parent element, query selector, no wallets. That definitely shouldn't have gotten added twice. That's interesting. So keys. So if keys length is greater than 0, we remove those. Oh, derp. So let's assume we want something like that. Insert adjacent before you begin. So then no matter what, when it loads, it checks if there's a no wallets and removes it. And then if there are no keys, yeah, this might fix that issue. But then if the keys length is 0, okay, so let's save that. And gonna clear. Okay, just one. Okay. Okay, let's test if generating the wallet. Okay, so that gave us a new recovery phrase. And close. Okay, that updated that. So assuming that's working right. Oh, you know what? I should make some commits here. Let's commit some of the work I've done already. Oh, look at that. Maybe it's actually a caching issue. I'm not sure. Okay, yeah. Let's commit some of this stuff. So might have to just combine a bunch of these. Yeah, this is why I should have committed more frequently. I intended to commit a bunch of this stuff when I started the stream, and I started describing things and started working on other stuff, and so now a lot of these changes are kind of intermixed and different changes have been done in the same file, so I think I'm going to do a kind of bulk update here. Maybe I could leave the backup one out. So that's... I'll leave out the backup ones because they're pretty self-contained. That's relatively self-contained. Okay, let's reverse this. So I'll do the small changes first. So this one is fiat. Let's see. Fix. Fiat selector. Oh. Placeholder and empty value. And event. Too long, dang. Knew it. Alright. Fix. Fiat placeholder and prevent. Sure. Okay, that works for me. Come on. I click commit, I'm pretty sure. Hello. There we go. I guess it didn't register my click. Alright, let's do the backups. Oh, wait. So a bunch of those CSS styles that I changed for the backups aren't going to be in there. So I could do the backup button one. Let's do that. Fix backup button. What is it? Is hit spot a thing? I don't know. Hit spot. Hit spot doesn't sound right to me. What am I thinking of? Button, I'll just say backup button label. All right. What else? Anything else I can do separate? That's pretty small. Okay, fix. Actually, that would go with this one, I think. Fix service worker caching. Okay, I guess these haven't been too big. Fix, add, dash, symbol to title. Okay, so you know, I think I can remove these others for now. While I'm cleaning stuff up. All right, I think this last one's going to be bulk, because enough of these things overlap that it probably makes most sense to do these together. All right. Fix styling or backups. Styling for backups. Fix styling for backups and maybe I'll just say fix backups. Add display or add say display version backups, display version, fix backups, display version. And wallet / staking empty message. All right, so fix backups. Show version and I guess that's gonna be it. All right, let's push those. That'll get it started deploying, and then what's going on? So let's open this one up. I'm gonna, well, actually I want to test several things here, so I'm actually gonna delete that. The wallet is not encrypted, so this is what I'm wanting. I'm gonna delete that. Okay. So with this, that's interesting. Okay, that's right. What I actually want to test though. Interesting. So it already updated to that version, but I think that version is not supposed to update. Oh, interesting. It shouldn't have updated that, but I guess it did. In any case, now we are on version 4. Okay. So let's do add. Let's add a wallet. I'm gonna reuse the one I just cleared out of it. Okay, it did update that, so that's verified. Let's delete it again though, and then I'm gonna refresh. Oh, that's, oh, derp. That's funny. That's a derp on my part. I believe I moved that to UI and display version. So this link has blank in it. We don't want blank. Okay. But let's commit this real quick. So fix, remove. Yeah, I'll do remove blank target hash clear. All right, commit, and I'm going to push that too, so hopefully that gets deployed. All right. Let's see. That should be deployed now. Let's refresh. Okay. And sweet. Okay. It is deployed. It's no longer pointing to blank. All right. All right. So the other thing I want to test is I'm going to close this, and I want to see if this redirects to the wallet. That's what it's, sure enough, it did. Cool. All right, that was a problem. So one of the things I did must have fixed it. Oh wait, when navigating to there, the wallet table does not load. Okay, so I don't know if it's fixed. So what I do need to do is add a wallet again. So we add a wallet, that updated. Okay. So I'm gonna close this. Oop, didn't mean to shift that. All right. Sweet. That did work. Okay, that I can check that one off too. Sweet, making progress. Good, good.
It's about time you showed up, Fox. You're the only hope for our world. Roger, General. We're entering Corneria City now. All aircraft report. Falco here.
All right. And what is next on our list?
I'm okay. Check your G-diffuser system. Open the wings. Here they come.
So I'm actually gonna reorder this real quick because I don't intend to do that right this second. All right, I'm gonna. This one is an easy one. I do want to get that done, so I'm gonna try that. And let's see.
Too quiet. I'll check it out.
What I'm thinking is in the staking page, which is probably here.
Let's rock and roll.
I'm thinking I could just wrap the address. So which one am I in? Let's open this up. Not that I need it right this second, but all right, get stake row. So that is the one. Wait, what? Is this old? How did that happen?
There's one more to go. I'll go it alone from here.
Oh,
Don't give up. Trust your instincts.
derp on my part. I made that change there, but not here. Okay. Okay, so I moved that out for the first one, but not for this one. So I think that should solve.
All aircraft report.
Oh gosh.
Good going, Fox. Okay, I'll admit it. You did good, Fox. Fox, we are in your debt. Roger, General.
So dash address balance. So it would be that first one. And where am I setting that? L1 is the pub, is that right? Strong, yep. So what I could do instead of this I'm actually going to drop the dash. So address column. So then we've got address column. Let's gr call equal row.query selector. So what I'm thinking is href equals target equals blank a neat, not that a. Okay. And then we want something like this. But this is bad. Okay. So, and where do we get the row address? Pub? Oh, it is called pub. That's nice. All right, now let's refresh. So that's not signed up. Do I have one signed up though? Let's see, clear that out, refresh. See if one of these other ones I've used is signed up. Sweet, this is one. Okay. There we go. So. Awesome. Okay, that's what I was hoping for. Okay. So now, oh. I don't love that there's that delay, but I could do some kind of fake trickery stuff to get around it, but it's actually probably fine. Like, it's mainly so that if you have, let's see, something like this. So see, this one is not signed up, so I don't want it showing the link, because if you, so let's open that link, and if we replace the address with this one, it kind of freaks out. So, yep. Okay, so that would be an example of why I don't want to link to. I don't want to confuse people. So I'm okay with that slight delay here in like while it's loading. Yeah, I'm okay with that, I think. Okay, let's commit this. There we go, and add let's say fix and CrowdNode funds link. Okay, and let's commit that. Get that pushed out. Okay. Oh, that's kind of interesting. So, it only shows that if you're signed up, and that's not what I'm doing. So maybe I should fix that real quick. So how was I doing that? Get CrowdNode balance. That's how I'm adding the fiat value. CB. Query selector dot CB. State.state. I was thinking staked might be defined there in one of those. Well, probably in the get stake rows one. But it doesn't seem to be, which is a little confusing to me. Well, hey, the music stopped. What do I want to listen to? I'm going to try this one. Let's see how it goes. All right, where are we at? Oh, did I not update that? Let me see. I didn't update that. All right, should be updated now. Into CrowdNode public address, funds, that's done. Show which address you're sending from. Show balance of selected wallet. Show maximum able to withdraw minus fees so the user knows. Mountain field needs better min-max values. Unstake isn't updating grid. Unstake isn't updating grid. I might look at that first. Unstake isn't updating grid. What about stake? Ah, so stake has this handle close. I'm gonna go ahead and copy this. Unstake. It does have a handle close. So handle close. Window set pass. It looks pretty dang similar. With maybe a couple of those event listeners different. So I'm going to copy these out and undo that paste and come back up here and let's compare. So remove, set pass. So we've got those two, and then it skips all of these. So what are these ones doing? Remove event listener, submit. I don't think any of these should cause it to fail. But let's go back here. So it is on the unstake isn't updating grid. You know, actually, I'm pretty sure this is wrong. I don't think I have a balance in here. Your active balance, 0. Withdrawals. So I withdrew all of that. And yet this is treating it like it has a balance. I think I did look into this when I noticed it. Let's see, I think it's this one. So, API funding, get balance. Let's see if I can open this directly. Oh wait, how about open a new tab? Total balance, total active balance. Interesting. So am I using total balance where I should be using active balance? Because then yeah, let's maybe try switching it. Total balance. This is an interesting song. I don't know if I've actually listened to it before. So if total active balance, or maybe I should actually do this. let total equal that. And I might wrap it like so. Just because I like how that makes it easier to read to me. So then we would go if total. So we prefer the, no, because right now, I'm not sure. Let's see what this does. That doesn't seem right. Shouldn't total active balance. What's happening? So display balances. I'm not even using that. So I'm not using that either. What about get balance? Address balance. Ah. This is arranged weird. Where is this? It's like way above. And it's really not being used by anything as far as I could tell. Okay, so if that's there, let's copy this for now. I'm gonna drop that there. And this is going to be total and total. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so now display CrowdNode balance. We do that. We set it. We do some other stuff. I am a little bit confused as to what the purpose of total balance versus total active balance is. But now I'm thinking I need to... to sign up with this one. Actually, I can't sign up with that one. Okay, that's right. Okay. Gonna send a bit more than I normally do. Okay. And send. Okay, looks... Uh-oh. Well, something definitely happened, but it didn't close this. It even started the sign-up process. That's interesting. So that's good. I just found that out, I suppose. So let's assume this is in sign up. Sign up does launch this. We do the has or request funds. It even signed up and never closed this though. That's not good. Okay, that's interesting. So it did close the staking one behind it, but it did not close this one. Why? So for this one, it should do the setup QR dialog, and that does funding modal. Okay. If wallet Satoshis is greater than 0, which it should have been. Oh. think I see where I went haywire. I thought there was a reason for this at one point, but so if wallet Satoshis is less than funds and fees, we has our request again. If it's over, I guess we could do else. Funding close. Maybe that's what we need. I'm gonna leave these for now and just comment it out. We have the wallet funds. Actually, maybe yeah, let's do that. Okay, that might resolve it. So if wallet Satoshis is less than funding fees, otherwise we close. All right, that should solve it. We do have a balance now. That doesn't seem right. Oh, okay, that makes sense. So we sent the balance and it did the sign up and agree to terms, and that must have used enough of the balance. Interesting. That used more of the balance than I was thinking, though. What happened here? Some seems haywire. Where are we?
Awesome!
I want the network, that's what I want. And I think I want one of these. Get balance. Okay, so this is an example of where total balance, I think this is for the new wallet, so no. Yes. So this is the new one that I just signed up for. Oh, sorry, I'm getting distracted reading messages. All right, so let's see. If I stake... Oh, this is definitely one I need to improve the dialogue for. Stake in CrowdNode. Enter the amount you wish to stake or leave empty to stake entire balance. All right. So I have this set up right now to stake the full amount. Am I getting ahead of myself though? I haven't figured out what the difference between this total balance and active balance. Let me check the documentation for CrowdNode. JS, I think. I mean, maybe CrowdNode docs would have it too. Not sure. Let's see, where are we? Here. So let's go into CrowdNode.js. So what am I looking for? Something here, right? Total balance. See, if total balance was actually the wallet's balance, that would make sense. But total balance is coming through as a different value than the actual wallet's balance. Thus my confusion. Oh, maybe the types. Let's see what type says. Float on hot or cold wallet. On cold wallet. I don't know what that means. All right, getting distracted. So I needed total balance versus total active balance. see. Where was that? Right, ping Cool AJ86 about this. So it looks like the actual command line client only has the total balance. Maybe I'm missing something. This is a little bit odd. Okay, let's do total active balance. Gonna be total balance. Okay, so let's do that. And let's snap a screenshot real quick. Oops. Let's check out this link that CoolAJ86 just shared with me. I'm also likely going to wrap up soon here, but let's see. So the API with any wallet you would like, you only need to have coin control be manage addresses. All API commands and responses have an offset of 20 duff. Maybe there's a bug in CrowdNode. So theoretically, with how this is set up right now, so that 0.19 is the sign-up fee and stuff. If I finish this staking process, so I'm gonna stake 0.004, I'm gonna do 4.5. So that's most of the balance here. And so assuming all goes well, All right, so that transferred it. That was the 0.0019 plus 45. So 0.0019 plus 0.0045 is actually 63, but I'm guessing there's a transaction fee there. I wonder if I actually so let's do total balance, total active balance. I'm gonna drop that and do this for now. Now I can see all three, and then I can see the dividends. I don't like this. I ain't gonna leave it this way, but okay, so I've got essentially 32 cents deposited, 62, and if I unstake, so I'm gonna, by the way, for any just joining in, the reason I didn't deposit this full amount is it takes funds to actually trigger the unstaking in CrowdNode. So I'm gonna unstake 100% here, and this should remove 62 or very near it, and then put it all the way back in my balance. And this is what I did the last time, and now it's showing that I've got in that other wallet. Okay, this is actually what I was saying. It didn't actually do the update for some reason, even though it looked like it did trigger this. Maybe it's actually, there's a delay and that call wasn't updated. I'm thinking if I refresh, and that would be the example. So it's still reporting the total balance as 62, even though it just transferred most of it back to that wallet. Oh. All right. Well, I think I'm gonna wrap up here, and I'll look into this some more later. Let's see. So, thank you all for tuning in. Please consider liking, subscribing, following, sharing, blah 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 blah. All that good